Sometimes you just need to get away from it all. Maybe it's due to the pandemic and the pressure of balancing work and life in this new reality. Or maybe you just need a change of scenery. The excitement of discovering and immersing yourself in a whole new environment. That's what weekends are for. I hope you will find the series refreshing for the senses. As I live like a local while exploring some of the best California towns. And of course, savor the local culinary finds. Please join me in beautiful Santa Barbara. Oh, what's this bright little oasis at the outskirts of Santa Barbara? I was quite happy to find some comfort food at this hour after a 5-hour drive. It's a Taiwanese tea shop and hot pot and snacks place all rolled into one. I'm pretty sure I can satisfy all my food and drinks cravings here in this place. Beef noodle was good, but I especially like the spam musubi, crispy outside. Tender and flavorful popcorn chicken. I like the beef bowl as well, very filling, with a side of egg. Drinks are solid, everything was done very nicely. This is one of the cutest donut shops I've been. The natural aesthetics of this place makes me feel at ease even before entering the shop. All the donuts are handcrafted and some are seasonal, so be sure to check if you're looking for something specific. Just look at the irresistible selection of donuts. They also have tarts and empanadas and other treats. Let me show you what I got with my rose latte. These are some of the fall favorites. Each one of them distinct flavor and texture. You're welcome. I just introduced you some of the best donuts on the planet. I don't know how I can go back to eating regular donuts. I guess I would just save all my quota and try all the different kinds of donuts here. They have different ones throughout the year, so I guess I would just have to come here year-round. On this busy corner of State Street is another awesome coffee house. I really like their simple but beautiful design. Inside this busy little place, they make beautiful handcrafted coffee and tea drinks. They also roast their own coffee beans for brewing at home. Since I just had coffee, I'm just gonna take home some to try instead. But I had to give this matcha green tea latte a try. It's so good. As I sit next to this beautiful fountain sipping on my matcha green tea latte, I've come to realize life can be very simple, but feeling very content. We should all take time to appreciate all the happy moments in life, no matter how small. Before we know it, it's time for lunch. Right across from this parking lot is another fantastic dining discovery I made. The first thing you notice is this lovely outside dining courtyard. This gourmet food court is nestled inside a Spanish-style residential complex. So many wonderful choices here. Some are sadly closed due to the pandemic. This looks like a really popular choice here. Everything is very tasty. The hand roll and the rice bowl is from Wabi Sabi Sushi. As I mentioned, behind this food court is a residential complex. Let's take a stroll and see this Spanish-style architecture. I just love this staircase pieces. Color and design are to die for. I guess I'm somewhat of a space and design nerd. I just love these well-designed living spaces. After some walking around, time to think about next meal. Think of some fresh seafood. Well, this little shack is the place for fresh seafood. These are must try while in Santa Barbara. They're right off the coast of Santa Barbara, can't get any fresher than that. At $12, it's a good deal. So, I got a few more things for dinner. What I did was I went back to the Taiwanese place and got a few hot pot sets. It includes soup, meats, and side dishes already. I bought the king crab legs and large clams from the fish market. Yes, I did, having hot pot in my hotel room. No, I did not set off the smoke alarm. Santa Barbara is a place of beautiful views, beaches, wonderful people, and food. But I'm not done yet. Please stay tuned and subscribe for part 2 next week. See you then.